Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. Today we had Nifty expiry and I hope it all went good for you. Talking about what happened today. So everyone was confused because Nifty was like going up, then down, and then again up, then down. So no, it wasn't going in a particular direction, and also sometimes it doesn't go in a particular direction. That's fine, but 80 points up or 90 points or 100 points up, and then the next candle is like 100 points down or 90 points down. So this is where the volatility was, and this is where you need to know why it was happening. So it all started as we discussed yesterday before market was closing. So if you go and check out this tweet, so here, so this is today, yeah. So if you go and check out this tweet, so 10 minutes were still left, and I showed that the money flow was the money flow of Bank Nifty and Nifty, they were live to the public, I mean. So there the scores were increasing, and I clearly mentioned even here as well, like in the members channel. So look at here, that is yeah. So at the end, like 15 18, so 3:18 p.m, 24 300, 24 200, 24 100 heavy put writing was going on. So that, and also I matched it with the EOD data yesterday and showed you that yes, in the EOD data also it's showing that the prop decks, they have done the put writing, and today they were expecting a gap up, but then XGX Nifty was 200 points down. Everyone was expecting a down, but only it gapped down by 50 points. Okay, and then like the spikes were coming just to save these the prop decks. So look at here, that is, I mentioned the highest strike price was 24,300. Okay, so I did not mention even 24,400. It was 24,300, and now you will see that today Nifty just went to 24,300 and let's say 339 or 340. So just it went to 24,300 to save those put writers. They did writing, but then coming to today. So as I always say that fresh analysis is important. Yes, fresh analysis along with the previous days, what the big guys have done, and you have to track all these in a sequence, otherwise you won't understand what is happening. So yesterday we caught that they were buying, writing puts at these strike prices 24,300 and below. Now today coming down to money flow, in the morning it went here negative 21. So, and even the premium decay was bearish. Okay, so the premium decay analysis was bearish, and so that means what, the call side, the premium was more decaying on the in the morning. Okay, and that's why in the morning I went here, as you can see, that is I went with put buying. So this is 7th, sorry, yeah. So if you look at here, that is the strategy I shared yesterday in the morning is working on the put side. I shared this strategy like in yesterday's video, and that was working on the put side, and I clearly mentioned 24 250, where price is ranging from where to where. So actually this price went to more than 160, anyways, no regret. But in the morning I said on the put side. Okay, so put buying. So now talking about here, that is also then I stopped put buying. Why? Because the scores went positive. Okay, so that showed that what was being done was the prop decks or whoever, they did put writing yesterday, they were further doing put writing and they were averaging out their positions. Okay, so that was happening, and then again we saw that a series of negative signs. Okay, there we know that heavy call writing was being done, and I clearly mentioned that both side writers are present now. So here if you go and read, both side writers are present, and so when it reached at the bottom here, that is as you can see 24 128, which was our support. So there, if you look at here, I went with buy on dip. So here if you look at so the morning put side, it fell, and then when it fell after that, as you can see here, the here, that is where did it go, yeah, so buying at the dips. Okay, so note down the time, 10:56, so at around 11. So 11, where is it? It's at here. So just right at the bottom I was going with buy on dips, and then again it went up, and so finally yeah, it gave a nice return as well. But yes, I couldn't capture this move, so this one was the one. Okay, so anyways, coming down to the next thing, that is, it went up, buy on dip happened. Okay, then finally it went up, and right at the top we shorted. Okay, right at the top I got that the put buying was happening. So coming down here, that is now at 50, yeah. So yeah, this was the analysis I shared. Like both side writers are present, and call writers majorly have, like today majorly, if you look at fresh positions, majorly today call writing was going on. And so that's why when it went above like 24,300, I was looking for short opportunity. So then, like just right at the like when Nifty was at 24,320, 1240, look at the time. Since put buyers are active now in Nifty, so 1240, so 1240, if you look at here, that is this is the candle, 1240 to 1235 to 1240, and right at the top. Okay, we shorted, and then Nifty again fell. Like yes, again I captured the fall tail here, but I couldn't capture it anyways. The main point is that yes, again, so morning puts down, then dips bought, went up, and then again right at the top shorted, and then finally let me show you. Okay, finally here, that is the last one, that was where did it go? So it, yeah, then yes, so here, then the last one was here. So yes, so basically like they doubled it, and yeah, scalping on the put side. So the last one before 3 p.m. For 234. Okay, so the put side was the one again, that is 234. If you look at here, that is 234 was almost here. So 234, yeah, this candle. Okay, so 235, or this candle, as you can see. So Nifty was here, it went a little up, and then again started falling. So as I said, like then to concentrate on the put side, so for the buying purpose. Okay, and so anyways, like that was my trades and my analysis, everything. No recommendation of taking any trades or anything. So anyways, like I have also shared here, that is my today's here, that is today's verified PNL. So like as you have seen already, those who follow me on Twitter, and yes, so like as you saw that like if you go and see, so why did I share? I do not share because of security purposes. Now let me tell you why did I share. So many people have joined, like have come recently, and they are thinking that I'm doing something fake. Why? Because even if I go somewhere and see that like this guy is telling that every day he's buying option and it's going 2x 3x, so I won't also believe. I will definitely think that it's fake. Whatever you show me Telegram. See, I have shown you Telegram, none of the messages are edited, still people can think that I have deleted. If I do that, I have to pay 10x time, like whatever the members have paid me, I have to pay them back 10x. Okay, so I won't definitely do that, but still if I say people don't believe, many people have come and said that like I mean where's the proof you are taking the trades now today? So consecutive 3 days I have shown that yes, like option buyers can also be profitable in this market. And not only that, if you look at here, that is every option buying trade was closed in green. This is the most important thing to note, that every option buying position was closed in green. So how do you do that? So you have to catch the big guys when they are buying, and you go with them. As I already said many times, that if you go with the big guys, your probability of winning becomes very close to 1. Okay, and that's why, like I'm not talking about today, consecutive 3 days. Okay, fin nifty expiry, bank nifty expiry, nifty expiry. So like the first day I shared, people can say that you went lucky and so on and so forth. Second day I shared, again people can say ठीक है 2 दिन तो हो सकता है. 3 consecutive days it can't happen that you are lucky, and it can't happen that all the trades you are closing in green, that too option buying. Okay, you can't be that lucky. So and also especially on today's Nifty expiry, when like these big one green one red, big candles, and no one had any idea what is happening during this day also, like you are closing in every position in green. So you should understand that yes, there is something, there is data that can help you to go along with it. There is no tukkebazi or something. So it's purely like we are based on data, but yes, data points also can go sometimes wrong. You have to accept that, and if you proceed with the data points, you will surely be profitable in this market. And yes, if you want to catch the big guys during the live market hours, you are almost welcome to be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you get access to the money flow indicators and a complimentary access to the Telegram channel. Okay, where I share my trades and my analysis during the live market hours. So yeah, that's how it went today. Now let's talk about the and yes, also the coupon code is in the comment section. You can take the advantage of it. So yes, now coming down to here, that is so I hope it's clear like what happened today. Okay, so now coming down here, that is EOD data. So EOD data analysis, if you do here, that is again, futures long positions are closing by the FIIs, short positions building up, and here if you look at here, that is all the positions are getting close. So you want to understand anything, let's come to the overall position. So overall positions, FIIs are having more put writing, but overall, like on the put side they are put buyers, and on the call side they are call writers. Okay, and talking about, so that means they are bearish. And talking about prop decks, they are on the call side they are call writers, and all the on the put side they are also put buyers, so that means they are also bearish. So overall, like for the past 2 months or 2.5 months, overall data of the FIs and prop decks, they are suggesting that they are overall bearish in the option chain, but still fresh position needs to be built up tomorrow onwards. We will have to note that as well. And option chain, fresh short positions are getting built up by the FIIs in futures. Prop decks is kind of neutral in the futures, so futures is also like kind of neutral, let's take. And yeah, so that's the overall analysis from the FNO segment, EOD data. And let's talk about on the charts. So, and also option chain also, remember yesterday I showed you something special in the monthly expiry, so do go and watch it if you have missed it. And talking about today 8th August it expired, so there is nothing, no point. Let's look at the next week. So next week, even if you see 24,000, some put writers are there, call writers are there, in the money call writers are there, and also going above you have call writers. So 24,300, 24,500 also like call writers are there, but on the put side you don't see that much of put writing. So put side is looking weak even for the next week. And also look at the monthly option chain. You will get a major hint. I showed you yesterday in my analysis video. Talking about Bank Nifty also has like this like 50,000 now. For now straddlers are there, like 12 lakh contracts, 14 lakh contracts. Okay, but look at overall. So overall you see that 50,500, 51,000. So all these like heavy writing has been done, but you don't see heavy writing on the put side. Again, put side is looking weak for Bank Nifty as well. So let's go to the chart. So if Bank Nifty breaks this level, that is so it's hovering around our level, that is 49,991. And like if that breaks, then the next level, major level, is at 49,233, or you can say 49,000 almost. So in between there is no major level because it went straight up. So that's why. And even for Nifty, if you talk about, so if this level breaks, majorly if 24k breaks, then we have like an intermediate support 23,850, not a very good support. And then the major support comes at around 23,535 or 23,687. Okay, so 23,687 is still a good support, and that's where the major support next comes in too. Okay, and yeah, so again money flow has been shared, like the data has been shared publicly after the market end, so you can go and check out with the timestamp how it performed and everything. So, and also like how it went in the members channel I have discussed. So if you again want to catch the big guys, don't forget to take the advantage of the coupon code in the comment section below. And yes, I also got the idea, that is why people are not joining, because I for 3 consecutive days I was sharing the my live positions. Okay, so I here, if you go here, I when I shared it here, so after that all my live positions that I was taking, so they were all visible to the public. So that's why I think, and for 3 consecutive days I have done this. Yes, so another major point is that I have like shared live positions, okay, for 3 consecutive days as well. So yes, so I hope like see like now you get the point why I don't share my PNL, because if you see that like for 3 consecutive days, if you add it up, so it's like if you say the 1.5 plus the last 2 days 1.5 and today let's say 80, so 230, almost 2.5. So I mean, you should, so this is only option buying. There is also option selling as well, and in some other account as well. So you see that there is some security issue that can arise. I don't know, my viewer, all my viewers. So I mean, why should I take the risk when I know that anything can happen any day? So so that you should understand that there is a security risk. So that's why I don't share. But since you people insisted, so I shared and proved myself, and there won't be any more sharing. If I want, I will share. Otherwise, I so it's like there's a high chance I won't be sharing. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed everything, my analysis, my live positions, everything. So if you did, so please don't forget to put a like, and thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.